Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So one of the things that I'm doing is improving my lighting. Yes, I know several of you that are following the channel, right? I've been working on the background here, trying to get this insulated, but you know, it's dark in here. And I just replaced one of my lights with a LED style light. Let me flip the camera around and kind of show you what I'm talking about. There's two in here already, but half my lights are not even working. They're all burnt out. And it's pretty dim in here in certain areas. Like, you know, you get over there, right? And the lights aren't working, you know? There's one there and there's one there. It's not working. One there, not working. You know, there's the old bulb style. And that's the style I just put in. Let me flip the camera around and show you what I'm talking about with that LED. And it's actually adjustable as well. So I can increase the lighting and make it softer or brighter. Let me flip the camera around and show you what lights I bought and what I'm screwing in here, because I need to replace them on the other side as well, because it's really dark over there and half the bulbs aren't working. So here's the lights. I picked these up from Costco a little bit ago, and I think you can find similar lights, you know, on Amazon. I'll try to put in a search for these or similar ones on Amazon. But here's basically the light, right? You can see these are adjustable. I can, put them so they're all the way down flat, right? Like so, all four of them. And then you'll see, okay, here's the amount of light. So it ranges from 6,000 down to 3,000. And this is 8,000 down to 1,500. So I'm leaving it at the factory settings at 4,000 and 6,000. And I've got the one up. Let me kind of step back here. That's the one I put in so far. And it's working really well. So let me go ahead and start popping in a few more of these where it's dark. Like I said, there's one right there by the heater, one there, one there. I'm gonna rip that out. I'm gonna turn the lights off and then let those bulbs cool down and replace those as well. And then we'll come back and see how bright it is in here. So guys, I don't know about you, man, but these lights lit this room up. It is way brighter in here. Granted, this natural light coming in, but man, it made a difference in the shop. I think it's a lot brighter in here. I'm really happy with these. You know, that up there, right, they were all burnt out. It was dark over there. It's now nice and bright over there. So I will give these screw-in style a thumbs up. I'm really happy with, how these worked out. Again, I'll try to find these, see if they sell these on Amazon or something very similar on something on Amazon. You guys can click around and check them out, some of the links. But you know what? I've got 9 of these in here. And yeah, they really light this, 32 by 20 area up really good. Now, let's go to the other side of the barn and I'll show you how dark it is. And I'll try to put a few of those up right now and we'll see how the big side of the barn looks after a couple of them. Here's the other side of the barn, guys. Excuse the huge mess, right? We're just moving into the barn. A few months ago, broke my leg. I'm just getting recovered from a broken leg. And I'm now starting to do stuff to get the shop more organized. So, there's my 70 Dart Swinger. That's a 67 GTO on the other side of the John Deere here that I'm redoing. So we've got the car trailer in here, and I got another utility trailer in here and just a bunch of tools. Some of these tools will go in that other shop here in a few minutes, or well, in a couple weeks once I finish it. You can see we've got a mezzanine up there. So I am going to go ahead and do some of these shop lights. And you can see I've got, one out. There's, there's a bunch of them out. So let me see which ones I can get to with the my scaffold, and we'll replace these. See how much better it improves the lighting in here. Guys, and I was only able to put 6 in. I couldn't get to the other 6 down there because cars in the way, little trailers in the way, cars in the way. So I got to move, those things down the road and get to those last 6. you know, where only 3 of them are working. So once you can see, these 6 here lit up this area really good. So I can only imagine when I get those other 6 in here, how much better this is gonna be. So this is definitely gonna help light this whole area up a lot more. And especially if down the road, right, we get some reflective material up in the ceiling to help reflect light, get the walls white, you know, or painted a brighter color, that'll help too. Yeah, I know, excuse the huge mess right now. Work in progress. Like I said, we just moved in here a few months back, and you know, we're working to get this pole barn insulated, at least that other side, and you know, get this side done, and then this will be, you know, in the future, maybe next year we'll get this side done. But yeah, these lights, guys, man, work great. Really happy with these lights. I need to get one wired, I think, underneath this mezzanine so I can see, you know, under the mezzanine what I've got here a little better. But I think that'll help. These lights will help a bunch. So guys, if you're contemplating this style of 5-panel light where you can direct the, you know, the 4 panels, if you will, you know, to different directions for lighting, I would recommend it. Man, I'm really happy about how bright this shop is. You know, I'm curious to see when the sun goes down how much brighter it is in here, you know, because I also have right natural light coming in from the windows. So these 6 lights in here, man, thumbs up. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this kind of helps you out make a decision on what kind of lighting you want to go with. So with that said, guys, you know, they say like, subscribe, comment, share, all that fun stuff. Trust me, what little money I make on my YouTube channel goes into my shop or my cars. So trust me, I don't make a whole lot of money. So any views and thumbs up and comments all help that algorithm so, you know, the video can get seen more. Peace out, guys. Have a great day in your shop.